Today, we're at Mystic Aquarium in Mystic, Connecticut, one of the best aquariums in the country, and one of the only places where you can see beluga whales up close and personal. From jellyfish to sea lions, stingrays and penguins, we're here to do it all. Welcome to our life.
What do you got? Veteran what?
$0.
That's me.
One baby, under 2.
One baby.
Oh look, they give us $10 off for the adults too because of your veteran. So instead of $44, it's $34.
Oh, baby.
And $10 off the children.
What? We're making money on this deal.
I knew I saw that online. That's why I waited to get here because I'm like, I don't see that option online.
Oh.
So, yeah, so we saved 44 plus 20.
How much is that?
64.
Ooh.
We saved $64.
Quick math.
Alright, so
What are you doing? What do we got?
look it, there's the whales. Go up and look, they might see one. Oliver, come look.
Whoa. What is it? Huh?
Fun enrichment that they have today. So you might notice a couple things floating around their habitat as they're enrichment for the day.
Start off with the belugas. Come here. You saw all the fish? What are you doing?
Hi, Willie.
He's so close.
Yeah.
Over by your dad.
Look at how close he is.
There
They want.
Sheesh.
Jeez. Look at that guy. Look at that guy.
See that? What is that?
Oh my gosh.
What is
Look at
that?
he's having the
Mom?
time of his life.
So seals don't have those flexible neck hips, so when they have the size of their hips, so sea lions have got those external ear structures. That makes the head and front delivery. They have claws on it.
How big that one is?
What are those things?
Those are, sea lions.
Sea lion. Are you sure they're not seals?
Nope, they're sea lions.
Do we know that?
My name's Katie.
I
I'm the head of
can
the
see
Annabella. You guys want to know what that
So I looked it up. This Mystic is now number 5 in the United States. Last year it was number 9.
Ranking what?
Aquariums of the United States.
How good it is?
I guess just a general ranking. So I guess they might have done some stuff between last year and this year.
800 pounds. And these are over 2,000 pounds.
Those were sea lions.
No, but this one's different.
Is that a fart? Huh? You can see. Whoa. Oh my. Holy moly.
Whoa. Look at him jumping up here.
Hang on, is he coming? He's right there. Look at him.
Oh, Ava, look.
Sassy.
Exactly the same. Well, we started that when this colony started in here. In fact, our oldest.
birds. I see you, I see you, I see you. Here, you go in with Mommy, I'll hold the door.
I'd be happy to answer your questions for you. Yeah, don't worry, these rays are not going to sting, you're not going to bite. These rays are not going to station that will the reason for not stinging is that we actually.
Whoa.
All our rays have both males. Like our hatch, out here. And we look inside ocean oasis.
There we go. Whoa. Going down. What are you clapping about? What is that thing?
That is like a stingray that's different. There it is.
I see him.
Two finger touches. We'll be going on our touch points in just a minute. So get in those final two finger touches.
Whoa. What are you doing?
You want to come see some of these guys over here? Good job.
Was it starfish?
But I'm so proud of you for remembering that.
Thank you so much, my friend.
You're good, me and Charlie Brown.
Hey, but there's Nemo's.
Well, not all sharks have big scary teeth. Come on.
Oh, look at the shark down
These are nurse.
Ava, here he comes. Look, Ava, look. He's on me. He's on me big time.
Dad, these are my favorite. Dad, these are mine. Do you like that? That's a, hey Daddy, that's a, hey Cameron, that's an octopus that's moving. Mom!
I think
It's a spider.
that is crazy looking.
It's a spider crab. That's what it's called.
He's huge.
Yeah, it's a spider.
See all this, Ava? Come look closely. You can see it moving.
I got you.
Oh, look it. There's the Nemo thing. All right, we're gonna call here, and then we're gonna get going, okay?
That's you!
I see you. What are you doing? Oh, do it.